Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Maureen.
And I'm Maren.
Yeah, so today we are going to be doing a street opinionated video about what Kenyans think about the anti-gay law that was passed by Museveni. So come with us and let's find out what they think.
I am a huge follower of Museveni, and that is as the president of Uganda. He has his reasons for that. But on that, I don't support him that much. The reason is because the gays and the LGBTQ at all, I don't support them in the way, like, I am not one of them. But again, they are human beings. So that law is too harsh. I feel it's too harsh. I don't support it.
I hapo na congratulate Museveni. Na congratulate basi. Kama ameikataa na the law inasema hakufai kwa gayism, then amefanya kitu right sana ya asipasi hiyo law. Amefanya kitu right sana. I think even here in Kenya, let's follow that route. So congrats Mr. President of Yoweri Museveni in Uganda. Congrats. So I support that, and I hug you watu wa Uganda. Please support that. So hii mambo ya gay is characters for people, but as country don't ipush kwa watu. So maybe wale watakuwa wako nayo wakifanya huko chini ya maji ni nini, maybe the law iwatafute, lakini sasa si country ipase eti kwa compulsory.
I believe that he's doing the right thing because I like to look at things in a spiritual way. I think with the LGBTQ ideology is something that it's not right for humanity. And Museveni, when he's passing this law to go against this ideology, he's a God-fearing person and he's doing the right thing for humanity. And I think I support that law, even though I don't have an issue with the individuals. If you are gay and LGBTQ, as a person I don't have an issue with that, but I have an issue with the ideology being allowed to permeate into our society.
First, I want to say congratulations to that president, and I would wish that president would be a Kenyan president. I think that president has done something very nice. Yeah.
For a passenger to like a fellow man, even me I can't explain, but you can't justify that it's a mindset. Maybe it's like that, yeah, it's like that. I have seen recently in campus, for example, there are some people who become due to, I don't know, especially ladies, peer pressure and heartbreak. But again, there are those people, I think, they are born like that. I'm not well equipped in that sector in that I can explain those science.
You can't be born while you are gay. I think a gay is a character. I think kudecide kukuwa gay is character. It's like, si mtoto akizaliwa, hao watu wanajihusisha na hiyo kitu ya gayism, si wakizaliwa alizaliwa kama mtoto. There was nothing like gay hapo, si ndio? I think it's character na behavior na vile watu wanalelewa. So like for me, for example, I don't support that even in society. Kama sawa wewe saa hii uamue tu kuvuta sigara na you are a lady, beautiful lady, hiyo huwezi sema ulizaliwa ukivuta sigara. No, you are not born like that. It's your character. Umeenda ukainherit that character somewhere, then ukachukua hiyo character ukaiva.
I don't think that there is this genetic component to gayism or such. It's a social construct. So, like if you see your baby boy is starting to dress up like a girl, you can either encourage this person, oh, you're just gay, so endelea hivyo, or you can start now educating this person and guiding them in the correct way. Tell them, no, if you're a boy, just start wear like a man, be like a man. And if you raise a child in the correct way, even the Bible says that if you raise a child he will not depart from it. So I don't think it's a genetic thing, it's a social construct. And if we allow people to become transgender and gay, it's us who are allowing it, but we can guide them to be in the correct way. Yeah.
How can God create you as a gay?
So you're saying there's no way you're born gay?
Yeah. Ni kujitakia bwana. You are seeing a beautiful girl, then you are going to a man. What are you going to do for a man? And you see girls have nyash, have some good things.
Okay, they should be given the rights, but it will be controlled. It can be passed into a law because they are people, they are human beings, they have to live. Who is sleeping with who is not your business, as long as you are okay with your life.
Okay, so let's say in Kenya we were faced with such challenges and Ruto had to make a decision. What would you advise him?
Ruto bwana, abolish those things. In fact, the president of Kenya should encourage youth to katiana. If I find a girl, a woman, I can send myself to a woman than sending myself to a man. I rather send myself to a 30 years old woman than a man.
I support him not to support gayism because it affects one physically and psychologically. Kwa sababu najua like in Africa, yani hizo vitu according to the way how I believe in the traditional African society, watu saizo hakukuwa na hiyo gayism. Sasa hizo vitu zilikuwa zimekuja na colonialism because according another thing that I can say about gayism, we cannot support that because what is that when one marries a man and what is that? It is not allowed in the Bible because hadi Mungu yeye mwenyewe because if God himself wanted to create the gays and the lesbians, he would have created Adam and Eve. You see, the reason why gayism yani imeanza tu kutokea ni kwa sababu peer pressure, wengine ni curiosity,